Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make faceless crypto cash cow videos. And I'm going to also show you a YouTube channel that is making around 30,000 per month, give or take, with the RPM, CPM situation where their audience are coming from. But I'm just going to give you a brief, just like case study on their channel. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can go ahead and create these yourself. So I'm going to show you right now the channel. This is Whiteboard Crypto. As you can see, they are pulling a lot of views in per day just by looking at their daily videos or whatever. But if you go right down there to the bottom, they only started 8 months ago. 8 months ago is not a long time. But like I said before, this is not a get rich quick scheme. This is a lot of hard work and a lot of dedication. You can't just expect one video to go up and it's going to go viral. This is a consistency game, just like anything you do in life. So now that I've showed you the channel, I'm going to go over to Social Blade and show you how much views they're actually getting daily. So if I scroll down here, it tells me exactly how many daily averages they're getting. And I'm going to do the math in a calculator real quick. So if I go in here, I've got a crypto channel, so I know exactly how much these niches pay. I'm going to say $8 USD. So 8 times 146, so that's 1,168 USD per day, and we'll do that by times 30 days in a month, 35,000. That's not including the affiliates that you can monetize. So now that you have got a little bit of a taste of how much money you can really make, and if this is for you, I'm going to show you exactly how to write a script, put it into a editing software with a voiceover, which you can use a bot or your own voice, and go ahead and start making videos right now. So this website here is called writer.me. I will have every program that I use today in a link in the description down below. So first of all, we're going to start with Writer. This website here is essentially an AI tool that creates scripts. Well, not scripts, but they're called blogs. You can create video ideas, product descriptions, product features, all that kind of stuff. So once you have signed up or whatever, or paid for it, if you're going to pay for it, if not, there's other methods on my YouTube channel to make it completely from scratch for free. It is a lot harder, as you have to do section by section because it's a free program. It's a program that you're meant to pay for, and you have only so many words, but that's for another video. So once you have signed in, you will go to this page. Obviously, not obviously, it depends on where you're making your YouTube videos. You choose the language suited for your audience, and then we're going to select the tone as informative, and then we're going to, as you can see over here, these are the different options. We're going to use the blog idea and outline, and we're going to give the bot a keyword so they can go off. So I'm going to write, what is the crypto Bitcoin? And I'll write that for me. And it'll take a little while. And as you can see, it's got all these little key points. We're going to get rid of this one here. So right here, it says an introduction to Bitcoin and why it's the future of money. So that could be a perfect video right there. So what we do, we have to add section by section part to the scripts. So we can't just expect it to write a full script. We've got to give it ideas and like paragraph ideas sort of thing. So you can leave that here, but you can also, it has to be 30 characters, I believe. But if you press command over a certain amount, it will create a keyword. So as you can see right here, Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009 by an anonymous programmer, etc., etc. So we could just grab this back up here, put that there, get rid of that. You're going to read over every little thing to make sure it's professional and ready to go to YouTube. You can't just expect the AI to be perfect, but it is 10 times easier than recreating scripts from scratch. Or you can pay people $10, $15, $20 per script, but I'd prefer to pay this monthly program to make unlimited scripts compared to paying someone $10 per day, as this is so easy to use, and once you get the hang of it, it becomes natural. So as you can see, I've pretty much introduction to Bitcoin and why it's the future, and it just tells you a brief, and then you could see it says what is Bitcoin. We don't want to do that because we can't really write that because not 30 characters, but we can delete that and highlight this one. How does Bitcoin mining work? Would you want that in there yet? You could put it in there, but it wouldn't be another thing that you'd put in straight after the introduction. I'd say you could write something like, who created Bitcoin? And then question mark, highlight that. It's not enough. Who was the creator of Bitcoin? Highlight that command, and it's going to exactly show you who made it. The creator of Bitcoin is unknown, as it was up there, but like I'm just giving you examples of what you can do, because obviously there's other cryptos that are not going to have anonymous creators and etc. So that's another word. Bitcoin's advantage over the traditional currencies. We can command that. Wait for that to load, and it's giving you points for it. Now we can obviously command that Bitcoin's disadvantages over traditional currencies. And conclusion and final thoughts on crypto investing. We could do that one as well. So this is simple stuff, and it's literally made me a whole script. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can go ahead and put this in an AI program to create the video. Like, this is not going to be perfect, but I'm not going to fix everything up for the purpose of the video. So I'm just going to highlight all this. Then we're going to go to Pictory. Once you get to Pictory, you sign up. I'm going to have a link in the description down below. So you click script editor, start, and you can just paste your script just like that and proceed. We're going to choose the YouTube resolution, and we'll get back to you when it loads. So now, as you can see, it has loaded into Pictory, and it's put all the words and match every single word, like every keyword, to a stock copyright-free video. So if you can see here, introduction to Bitcoin and why it is the future of money, and it's got a video of Bitcoin or like cryptocurrency, some sort of app. It looks like an older app, but yeah, as you can see, it's matching to the words. If I click here, Bitcoin there, there's a coin there. It's a digital currency that was created in 2009 by an anonymous man or whatever. Obviously, you're going to make sure this all sounds professional before doing this, but I'm just showing you a quick example of how you can do this sort of stuff. And now that's done, we can click on audio, and you can add a background song to it. I'll put chill, and these are all copyright free, and that big story blocks thing in the middle will be gone. It's just showing you as a preview. So I'm going to choose this song. Not going to care what it sounds like. I'm going to put it about to around 2%. It just plays in the background. You can leave the text up there if you want, but I'm going to hide the text, apply it to all, background music, apply it to all, and you go for every single visual to make sure it matches to the keywords, and to match it, you just turn off all the text. And so the programmer wanted to create, so you'd search visuals, programmer, bang, like it just looks more, it suits the words more. So you go for every single one and make sure it's all professional, looks good, matches the story. Once that's done, we go to format, click 1080p. Oh, actually, we've got to add a voiceover. So you could add your own voiceover by using an upload and syncing it. You could use the already built-in bot ones, which I will today, just to show you how to do a voiceover with a text-to-speech, AI text-to-speech person. Apply that. Once that's done, we can have a little preview of it. There is also a lot of other voice, like text-to-speech programs that I'll link in the description. There's Descript, Willstead Labs. Some are paid for, some are free. But yeah, it just depends on your budget at first. But I do recommend investing in these sort of text-to-speech, as YouTube likes the real sounding ones better. Also, you could do your own voice, which is even 10 times better, but some people are uncomfortable with that. So it just depends on your situation. So I'm going to wait for this to load.
There are no physical coins, but rather just numbers in a database.
And there you go. You can see it's read that scene to what I previewed. And I'm already liking the way it sounds. Format, make sure it's on 1080p, and generate the video. So now the video is done. I'm just going to show you the an example of how it looks, and then we're going to wrap the video up for the day.
Introduction to Bitcoin and why it is the future of money. This is in contrast to the US.
So as you can see, it's made a pretty decent video without even putting too much effort in, to be honest. So you could make sure everything matches up to the words. You could add your own photos, videos, stock footage or whatever to the video to make it even look professional. You could put this in After Effects to put little pop-up animations, text, all that sort of stuff. But this is just a brief way of how to like get started. Like, what you want to do on YouTube is just get started and just pump the content out. I know people say make high quality content, but like spending 2 hours on a video for it to get 2 views is not worth it when you could pump the content out, grow your audience, and then make high quality videos. So yeah, in the next video I'm going to show you how to make a crypto thumbnail. So if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share it to a friend. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.